So what the hell is a romper? Okay, so I'm sure you may have heard of this thing called a romphim. Not a romper, but a romphim. Romphim. I don't know why it's called, well actually I know why it's called a romphim, but we'll get into that later. But first, I got some tweets I'm about to read y'all. I just want to show you the hilarity that Twitter was yesterday on Tuesday, May 16th at around afternoon if you're in like the USA. That's when I noticed it, and I noticed it because someone said, "Can we stop talking about these damn rompims?" And I was like, "What's a rompim? I want to know." Okay, so this tweet from Tracy Clayton. If you do not follow her or listen to like the Another Round podcast, you need to do that. And this is what she said: "Rompers might fuck around and be the summertime version of gray sweatpants." Hey, I'm here for it. I mean, talk about a romp print. Someone else talking about 800 retweets, and I will wear this romper to school. Technically, it's a jumpsuit, but you know, whatever. Now, y'all remember the actor Trevante Rhodes, who played Black in Moonlight? Trevante Rhodes, he was the final chapter of the movie. He was part 3. Someone said, waiting on Trevante to debut this summer romper like, hey. Hey, I'm all here for it. I am all here for it. He said he can wear the olive jumper, so a romper. Someone put Trevante in an olive romper. The people need it. When you're both wearing the same romper, so someone's got to change. Petty versus petty. I ain't doing it. When you gotta go to the toilet in your new romper. There's no hole anywhere. I can't. What is you gonna do? Oh, this is one of my favorites. Romper, romp him. She say shirt. Him say shimt. It gets better. Wait. Pants, mans. Because, you know, obviously men don't wear pants, men wear mants. And water, him, broader for men. Like broader. Yeah, I like that one. That makes sense. We stretched it, but this one, the dude's face, and then okay. So anyway, I'll just read it. When you pull up to the cookout, somebody got the same romper. Fam, I'm gonna need you to drop it. We both can't be showing up wearing the same romper now, okay? This is a problem. And then these SpongeBob memes. Hyper-masculine men. If you wear a romper, you're officially gay. And then there's me. The SpongeBob thing, y'all, I can't with this. I cannot. Anytime I see the SpongeBob thing, I literally crack up. Oh, and then this one. If y'all don't give Mr. Brown his due, this romp him and romper trend is a farce. You right, because Mr. Brown been wearing a romper for a long time. I'm surprised that Medea ain't talked to Brown talking about Brown, where you gonna wear that romper? Anyway, I just want to get that out the way because these tweets are so funny. I'm sure if you missed out on the romper storm of yesterday, go look at the tweets. Go look at the videos and the GIFs attached to these tweets because it is hilarious. And you will have a good 30 minutes of laughing. I know I did. Anyway, moving on with this whole romper nonsense. This all started because this company, literally called romphim, decided to just, I don't know, it just got, it just found a little niche and then it just spread like fire and went viral, and everyone on Twitter had something to comment about, something to say about it, as you saw. My own opinion about the specific official line of romphim wear is that it looks like rejected Baby Gap factory samples. Like, it doesn't even look good. You know that like fabric that your grandmother wear, them little not the moo-moos, but like, you know how they got them cinching pants on the waist and on the cuff on the ankle with the matching shirt. That's what the material looked like. It looked like hospital gowns or hospital drapes that they be using to go. Like, that's what it looks like. The ones that this company made, I don't know, it looks like someone took some tissue paper and then like tie-dyed it and then decided to sew it together. I don't even know what they're trying to do. Okay, but moreover than the execution of what they were trying to do or whatever they have done, because they're a company, so they got rompims. I just wanted to go a little bit more serious. Okay, now we're getting to the serious part. So, reading the tweets was hilarious, yes, but there was some things that I were noticing. And I'm just gonna tackle a few of these little issues. yes, they're issues. They're not big issues, but they're just things that I noticed, you know. For one, policing what dudes be wearing. People are like, when when Twitter switched the like button from like a star to a heart, people are like, is it gay? I don't want to like someone's tweet because if I put a heart to it, then does that mean I'm gay? That's my voice of whatever a heterosexual cisgender man sounds like. You're welcome. Generically, I'm just generally speaking. But like, we already do this to women. When whatever they wear, they can be covered from head to toe. Girl, you're wearing too much. They could be wearing a bikini. Girl, you need to cover up. Girls, you know, women can't get women already have to suffer through this. And I'm already trying to like let people know or like educate or just like try and be in circles and or surround myself with people who say like, hey, we don't need to do this. We don't need to also do this to men too, okay? Just stop it, okay? Let people wear what they want to wear. Do what you want to do, okay? What business of it is yours? What business is it of yours? That's how it works. That's how the phrase go. So there's that. Number 4, like the whole gendering clothes, gendered marketing, romphim's. Romphim's? Really, that's what you're gonna call them? Not the men's romper, not the male romper. Romper with a penis. We're calling it romphim. Romphim. Okay. I see you guys spent many hours and many weeks in the development department trying to come up with the name for that. Rompems. That's what we came up with, rompems. Okay, so there's that. Like, why? Why do we even do that? Why can't we just make clothes and just put them in the department store and whichever, like, if they made rompers and they sold them in the men's section and didn't necessarily gender them and just said, these are clothes, these are onesies, these are singlets, if you will, jumpers, jumpsuits, and just sold it as what it is, I think people would buy it. I think if you had, you know, what's his name? If Cam Newton could wear a romper to Coachella, I think we're okay. Especially since he did it before this whole romper thing became a thing. And I'm just saying, like, why do we gender things? Why? Just sell it. Wear it if you won't wear it. If it look good on you, wear it. That's all I'm gonna say, you know. Okay, and then the dares. The dares are so stupid. People talking about 8,000 or 800 retweets, I'm gonna wear this to school on the last day. 500 retweets, I'm gonna wear this to graduation. 1,000 retweets, I'm gonna wear this to my wedding. Like, really? Really? You gonna wear a romper to your wedding? Then I would like to see that. Y'all gonna be looking cute up there with your romper and whatever she gonna be wearing. Y'all could both wear rompers. Y'all could be matching. That is so funny. Y'all are not messing with that. Okay. Anyway, wear what you want because you deserve it. That's what I'm gonna say. The other thing with this whole romper thing is that like the company failed, in my opinion, on the romper thing because I feel like the material looked cheap. The patterns, they're all pale and muted colors. Like, I don't know. Okay, so I found a really good example of this. A few, like those 2 retweets, the guy in the black jumpsuit, it's a jumpsuit, I know, but there's this other guy, this black model wearing this like kind of navy patterned romper thing. Looks really cool on him. This other guy's got this kind of cool, I would say like East African tribal printed thing. And then there's also this other guy I found, Lonnie Giovanni on Twitter. He has this black jumpsuit from Urban Outfitters that looks real cool. Check that out. That's all I'm saying. So again, it's like, those are really good examples of how to do the romper right. I'm just saying, I'm not telling you what to wear. I'm not telling you how to wear. I'm just saying, if you're trying to look as best as you want to look, you should probably do that. Like, go that way. Go high fashion, you know, go edgy, go really cool. Try to be an avant-garde with it. Really, really fuck it up. You know, like, just, I don't know. I feel like because it's so new, and I guess it may become summer's hot new trend for men, I don't know. But you really gotta make it your own. Seriously, don't just put a romper on with your little New Balance shoes and your white crew socks and a hat to the back and call it good. No, Dexter, you cannot do that. Sorry, Dexter, no. I ain't feeling that. And so I'm just saying all that to say that I would actually wear a romper. I would wear one if it looked like the ones in the on the runways, in the catwalks, in the high fashion magazines. If I had the money too, if I had the money and then like some shoes, you know, you gotta style it. You gotta style it. So if I had all that stuff, I would wear a romper. My question to y'all is, would you wear the romper, dudes? Would you wear the romper? And actually, hold on, we're gonna go way back. We already have heard the stories of women telling us, I can't wear a romper, I hate wearing onesies to festivals and concerts because when I have to go to the bathroom, you have to get practically butt-ass naked just to pee. So, I don't know if there are zippers on the front of these rompers, but like, what are we supposed to do? You know, like, do we have to just take the whole shirt thing off and then pull it down to our waist? And then like, or can we get a zipper in the front? But then what about the back? There's no zipper, there's no flap. It's not like Rugrats or anything. You can't just just pop it open, just sit on the top. Like, what are we supposed to do? You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, just functionality. What the hell? Why? Seriously. I don't even know why I'm so pressed about this. Like, I don't even have one. So I don't know. I should just calm down. But it's a thing, rompems. We're gonna see who's gonna wear it. We're gonna see who wants to really just take the whole trend by storm. We're gonna have some people who don't even fit into a rompem and will wanna wear the rompem regardless of how he or she fits into the rompem or the romper. And they're gonna be romping around they rompems and rompers with all this extra rompages romping all over the place. So it's gonna be crazy. Oh Lord. Y'all, tell me, just wait on it. I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna see about 500 people at the Essence Fest. Not only are you gonna have all the women in their rompers, you're gonna have the dudes trying to wear their rompers too. It's gonna be a romping catastrophe. Oh Lord, today, that's gonna be funny. I'm really not trying to hate on the rompems. I'm just trying to figure out how is it that we have come to this place. It could be because of what's his name in the white place. The house of no color. That's what I'm gonna call it. No, the domicile of no color. I'm just like, where do we go wrong? I mean, I would wear it, but at the same time, this seems like something only a very select, like a very select few group of people can wear and can pull off and can do well, you know? Like, not like that phrase where they say everyone ain't meant for you and you ain't meant for everybody. That rompem is not for every dude. There's gonna be some height restrictions. There's gonna be a height limit. You must be at least this tall. You must be at least, you know what? I ain't gonna body shame nobody because that's not even right. I'm just saying, if you gonna do it, own it. How about that? Is that fair? Is that okay? That's all I'm saying. Okay. Well, that's all I have to talk about today is these damn rompems. Romper or rompem. That's what we're gonna call the rompem. That just don't even sound like a word, a rompem. What's a rompem? A rompem? Like you own a rompem or something? I don't even know what that is. Okay, well anyway. I hope y'all like this vlog about these rompems. Again, comment below, would you, if you would do, would you wear a rompem? What parameters, what circumstances would you be to wear the rompem and to do it well, to style it, you know, get everything together? Would you wear it to like a festival, to go to a concert? Would you wear the rompem? Would you do it? I'm just asking the question. I would you? That's all I want to know. Please, if you have not already, subscribe to this channel. I'm just saying, something to do. We're actually almost at 3,000 subscribers, so like, whoa, this was pretty crazy. Yeah, click on the button, click on the bell notification icon too if you wanna know when videos drop, which is usually Monday and Thursday. And I know I've been gone for about 2 weeks. I'm sorry. Life has been not crazy, but I did go see Chance the Rapper last Saturday, and that was really fun. I've just been busy with a lot of stuff. And just, you know, motivation kind of needs to be there. That's the thing. I don't like to film when I'm not motivated because then it feels forced and it feels like I'm not really giving 100% into the video because, you know, you have to shoot it and then you got to edit it and then you got to get a thumbnail and then you got to write descriptions and all this stuff. So it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. I don't know how people do daily vlogs and daily videos. Like, what kind of time you be having, child? I can't do it. I can't. But anyway, yeah, also do not forget to follow me on social media. Follow me on Snapchat because I be more of myself and uncensored there. Instagram cool too. I be posting pics of stuff. So yeah, that's about it. You know, like, comment, subscribe, the usual. But that's it. That is it. That is romphms, y'all. Romphms are a thing. Wow, I can't believe we're here. Well, if you have not seen my last video, click on it right there. If you want to watch a playlist of other stuff, right there, it'll be a playlist of something, I'm not sure what. And also, subscribe button right here. All right, I'll see y'all later. Keep it locked. Peace.